a gatekeeper in a certain sector in an industry for a long time, you've gained ground. You build your blocks, you build your mold, you mold your company after what you're doing. And after you solidify, it becomes very difficult to evolve, especially if you have run it for a long time, because even your leadership are getting older. They are stuck in their ways. So most of the times what happens is that a new set of guys, new kids on the block, younger people are always the ones who come to disrupt. And when they disrupt it, they take it from there and they kick. And most of the times what happens is that the bigger guys look at them and see them as a threat rather than joining what's going on. They try to attack them, or they try to ignore them, or look down on them, and before you know it, they have taken over. And that's what's happened in the Nigerian music industry. There was a time when if you are not on radio, nobody will ever know you. But today, some artists actually blow without going on radio.